Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. In a Glassmorphism animated skills bar tutorial, the focus is on creating visually appealing skill indicators using HTML and X. Glassmorphism is a design trend characterized by a frosted glass effect, blending transparency and vibrant colors to create a modern aesthetic. The tutorial typically begins with setting up the HTML structure, which includes a container for the skills bar and individual skill indicators. X is then used to apply the glass effect, incorporating properties like backdrop filter, border radius, and box shadow to achieve the desired visual style. Animation plays a crucial role, often implemented with transitions or keyframes to animate the skill levels dynamically, making the bars fill up as the user interacts with the page. By the end of the tutorial, users gain practical skills in combining modern design techniques with animations, enhancing the overall user experience of their web projects.